Many Python developers write async code but don't actually understand what await does. Let's fix that. The await keyword pauses the execution of an async function until the awaited operation completes. Think of it like a smart pause button. When you await a network request or database query, your function stops at that line. But here's the key difference from regular blocking code. The pause is cooperative. Your function yields control back to the event loop, which can then run other tasks while waiting for the result. You can only use await inside async functions or coroutines. If you try to use await in a regular function, Python will throw a syntax error. This restriction exists because await needs the special async context to work with the event loop. The async keyword tells Python to treat the function as a coroutine that can be paused and resumed. The real power of await is that it enables non-blocking concurrency. While one async function is waiting for a slow I/O operation, other tasks can run. This is fundamentally different from synchronous blocking code where everything freezes. With await, if you're waiting for 3 API calls, they can all run concurrently instead of waiting for each one to finish sequentially. Your program stays responsive and efficient. Await works with awaitables, which are objects that can be awaited. The 3 main types are coroutines created with async def, tasks which wrap coroutines for concurrent execution, and futures which represent a result that will be available later. You can't await a regular function or object, only these special awaitable types that integrate with Python's async runtime. So remember, await pauses async functions cooperatively, allowing concurrent execution of multiple operations without blocking. Master this and you'll write faster, more efficient Python code. Practice with real async examples, and you'll nail this interview question. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.